Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you. Calf stew dinner, detailed recipe. The amount of food in this video is enough for 8 people. Beef stew in a clay pot to be cooked. Ingredients for making veal stew. 1 kilogram of veal to be used. A little animal fat. Shallot on a plate. 5 carrots. Green garlic. Some mushrooms. 5 eggplant. Green pepper on a plate. 3 tomatoes. 1 or 2 potatoes. Spices. Black pepper, cumin. Salt. Chili peppers, bay leaves and thyme. Pepper paste. Candy. Chop materials. Prepare the meat in large form. Add the chopped meat to the boiling water. The purpose here is to wash the meat with boiling water. After 5 minutes, remove the meat from the water and add to the strainer. Add liquid sunflower oil into the pots. Add animal oil and mix for a while. Fill the meat and stir for a while. Add 2 cups of water. Cook meats with pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Prepare peeled shallot onions. Chop carrots. Chop materials to the same size. Peel the eggplants and chop. Chop the mushrooms. Peel potatoes and chop. Peel and chop the tomato. Cut and chop the pepper. Chopped ingredients ready. Case. Chopping stage in preparation part of the dish to be made is okay. Now cooking stage. Now these materials will be treated with hot oil. Close the pressure pot after 30 minutes. Let frying oil warm up. Add the eggplants and remove them in the strainer after 1 minute. Add the carrots and remove them soon. Add onion and peppers to oil and remove. Add and remove fungi. Add and remove potatoes. The process of hot oil takes so short and is simple. Remove meat from pressure pot and add to vegetables. Use the meat broth to prepare the sauce of the dish. Add garlic. Mix all ingredients and add into the earthenware pot. Boil the broth and add pepper paste. Add spices and mix. This is okay after adjusting the salt ratio. Add water prepared with gravy. Close the lid of the pan. Bake with 200 degrees. Bake for 45 minutes or 1 hour. As you can see, food continues to boil. Leave the stew food for 1 hour and let it rest. After waiting a while, you can service. I think it's a delicious and healthy meal with vegetables and a meaty meal. Can be served with yogurt, will be compatible. We came to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye to see a new video.